the surface. I like to watch the surfer watching. I don't even know where I'm filming anything, but I think I am. Is hiding behind. It's a funny dogs. All right. Those women feels like criminals, huh?
Which ones?
In that shop.
Oh.
It's as if they didn't want to be recognized.
No, they judge me by, they look at me and they judge me by that book. He's not gonna buy it.
Well, you shouldn't.
But it's okay, I didn't see anything I wanted, otherwise I would have just bought it. This comes from there. So I have this in blue. I have 5 of the trousers I bought here. Though the color of my suitcase, I bought trousers here in that color, but they don't fit. I have white, I have beige, I have blue.
Okay.
I bought everything because but this time I bought white.
All right. Are we going to walk?
This is nice. You see it's green here.
Including you. Including you. You're even closer than I thought.
Very close.
Yeah, very good. What? Oh, I was just at the age of go to your right. You go to your side. Go to your side. Yeah. There's a chair there.
Oh, you want to sit there again?
Well, if you want to just sit there,
It's up to you.
you can just sit, or
It's up to you.
if you fancy watching your catamaran.
You decide.
Or do I prefer my bar? That's my most cars are Spanish, only Polish. There. How did they get here?
Those are the ones that are selling these
How did they get here?
Parliament Fred Olsen.
And I want to say
Oh, yeah.
let's say May.
Fred Olsen. I'd forgotten Fred Olsen. Are we gonna take some Fred Olsen to Puerto Colón? We are not close to any port actually here.
Of course.
I mean, we have to walk
There is
at each.
Los Cristianos is a port.
Yeah, but we either have to walk at Los Cristianos or Puerto Colón. Are we walking? Or are we?
Not walking fast, that's what you mean.
So now we have a big choice between Marietta or Serena.
If there is any place anywhere.
So
Shopping experience. Oh, when it rains, we can go there.
go there to.
Spend some
Oh yeah.
time.
But I'm told that it's not covered.
Ah, we don't go there. Just stay in the woods.
It's mostly for people that are really bored, huh? I think. Or.
People with children, because
Or-
it has all those amusement
Oh
things.
yeah, true. So
So there's all this water or whatever.
I was wrong. I need to get used to thinking beyond me.
Oh, there's a chair for you.
Come, let's get. So, are we targeting Serena or not?
Wherever there is a table for you, if you want.
Well, you start with.
But we have all of these in the hotel for free, by the way.
Should we just head to our hotel then?
I think so. We already had an extra lunch. That we, we already had an extra coffee and wine.
Well, that's the goal if you want to walk. Too far. Could have come back for lunch.
No table here anyway. We're all pretty.
This is
Well, I had this soul today because that's something that I always like and they don't really have that in the hotel.
yes.
But from now on, for lunch, if you're not eating in the hotel, I'm just going to have a salad.
Yes.
Because we come home to the hotel and we have all the food you can imagine till 6 o'clock and then again till 10 o'clock.
I know. Ideally, you walk in the morning, you come back.
Yeah, but we left at 11.
Well, because we woke up late
I woke up.
and you couldn't make up your mind on which dress to put on.
I don't know what the story is now.
Oh yeah.
So tomorrow,
And we have this.
breakfast at 9 instead of breakfast. Breakfast at 8.
The pancakes are still here.
But this is still.
Yeah.
But this is not Serena.
It's still called Serena. It's written Serena.
But they're no longer wearing the same outfit.
They've got a chair.
You can choose. There's a chair. And a few cocktail. You decide.
It's so tempting.
Quick, because the table is not gonna.
I'm tired. Tired of. I need to drop all this equipment that you
The
are.
benefit of going to the hotel is you can start charging your stuff. So
No,
don't have
there's no benefit. I have a charger with me. If you thought that was your benefits, it's not the benefits. No. I won't take any risk. If I had 2 weeks, yes. If I had 2 weeks, all I want is to just eat fresh fish. Not that one. Oh, they open an Indian here. An Indian restaurant.
So I think I